Hi friends, I'm just making a super quick video on how you can access your Block Specials team in Microsoft Teams. Now let's pretend you are in your classroom team. Your teacher has said, okay, it's time for your Block Live lesson and you need to access it. What you're going to do is find your Teams icon here or look for the button that says All Teams. Either way, if you click it, it will take you back to your home page where you will see the square for every team that you are a part of. Now, I'm a teacher, so I have a lot more squares than you will. You should only have 2. You should have your block room, which is here, and you should have your teacher's room as well. So let's say you're a first grader. You should see this Gilliland first grade square. You're going to click on it and it will take you to our home page. Now, if it's your day for PE, you will scroll down, find your PE, and then you will see something that says it is time for your live lesson, or you'll see a button that says join, and you will click there for your live lesson. You can also click on the PE main page, and that will take you to your lesson that you can access anytime. And you'll just click on the buttons here. If you are going for fine arts for the day, to my class, you'll do the same thing. Click on fine arts here. You'll see a button that says join my meeting and you'll access it that way. To access the lesson anytime, you'll click on this art main page. Here's my home page and you'll click on this week's lesson to get there. Okay, the same steps are for your library or your counselor. It's all here. Now, if you are going to have a grade level meeting, you'll meet here under the general chat. When it's time to go back to class, you will click on all teams or this teams buttons here, and it will take you back to your home square page where you will click on your teacher's class and go right back to where you're supposed to be. I hope this video was helpful. Can't wait to see you in class, guys.